Hey, so I'm going to show you this really cool site that I've been working on. I'm going to go through it real quick. It allows you to set up a really simple site where your clients can come and hire you directly. So you can see here, this is an example site. We've got an illustrator who has a single character bundle, single character and scene bundle, and a multiple character and scene bundle. And you can see for the first one, they're charging $400 for 2 revisions. And if we go into more details, we can see there's a final deliverable here specified and the project timeline, including when to pay them. And the client can go in here and see more details about, when what each section means. And then down here, you have some details about the major revisions, the minor revisions, and you can set those all up as the freelancer. There's a little bit more details, the price, and some past projects. So as a client, I might come in here, I might say, oh, okay, I can see it's going to take this long, about 30 days. This is what I'm going to get. This is pretty much what I need. I can imagine maybe one major revision isn't enough. Maybe I need a few more, so maybe I can talk to her about that. And I can see some of her past projects and see, oh yeah, this looks pretty good. So I'll go in here and select this. And the next page is loading. Okay, so you'll get this welcome message that you can set up, and then a detail about which project you selected. You can type in, you can describe your project for the artist. I need a full magazine spread, illustration for a creative project. I don't know. And then you put in your name and your email address and click send. And that email will go to you as the freelancer, and you'll have all the details you need from your client as to which bundle they selected, which type of project they want to work on. You'll both have an idea of the timeline, how many revisions, and the total cost of the project, all set out ahead of time just by setting up this simple page. So let me show you how to set up one of your own. All you have to do is go to RequestCreative.com. This random URL will automatically be generated. So you'll see this last part of the URL. This is your username, and then this part you never want to share. This is kind of like your secret passcode editable version of the site. And all those details are right here. So this is the best way to promote your freelance services. And click OK, got it. And now you can start setting up your page. So you can upload a profile image here. I'll just show you what that looks like real quick. You can click replace image and then drop image here, and let's use one of Miori's images, and we can just use the zoom button to zoom out, and we'll drag that, move it up, and save, and that's it. So now you've edited your profile image. Here we can say maybe like we've got editing services, or maybe it's copy editing, sound more professional, and we'll say by David. And one of the first things you actually probably want to do is set your username, so let's do that. I will set mine to David, and then you can see the URL changes up here. We can edit the background image, so I don't really have a good one set up for this, but let's just pick up a random image. And we'll zoom out on that. And yeah, that's fine. And then for the project name, all I have to do is click on it. Everything next to one of the stars is editable. And if we want to create a new service, we just have to click on New Bundle, and then that'll create a new bundle down here. We can switch things around, so if this is like a 500-word blog post, and we want to move that down below another service, we just click that, and it switches the position. We can change the price of the services here, go into more details. We can drag some of the timeline items around. We can change the type. We can change the text and the secondary text of every timeline item. And we can change the number of revisions and how much each revision takes. And then we can also upload some more example images or remove the existing ones. Here we'd probably upload something different, but we'll just upload an example image for this. And that pops in there, and then you can preview it. And so this, once you want to share it, you click Share Site. You get a public and shareable URL. You can copy this link, and then that's the link you want to send to clients. And this URL, the one that's currently up here, that you want to save for later. So you probably favorite it to save for later so that you can come back and edit the site. But we have this copied, so if we go here, now you can see this is what the client would see. And it's all just super easy to edit. And once a client selects one of your bundles, they're going to have exactly an idea of what you're going to be working on and how long it'll take, and everything will just be set up. And this is an example of Miori's site in the editable version. So you can see everything filled out here. And you can just click to edit all these details. So yeah, it's kind of like your own personal marketplace that you can play around with, add new services to, and I think it's pretty cool. So in order to get started, just go to RequestCreative.com and that'll automatically generate your own site for you. Okay, thanks for watching, and I'll see you later. Bye.